Hi, my name is Warren Thomas. I'm the founder of IHS LLC and the owner of Atlanta Osteoarthritis Center. How did I come to start this channel and why? Well, as part of our growth and expansion, we wanted to be part of YouTube. YouTube has one of the largest reach in relationship to just general topics, but specifically, we wanted to make sure that we had a presence on YouTube. We're actively involved in the wellness space, not only the osteo space, dealing with joints and so forth. So with that, a tremendous amount of changes in the healthcare industry. And I wanted to make that information available to individuals like yourself. Now, one of the guests that you're going to become very familiar with is Dr. Bill Lawrence. Bill is part of a group that has recently completed a study called the Peptide Bioregulator Protocol. Is a game changer. It's not new. Actually, the studies have been out for more than 40 years. We have a doctor by the name of Dr. Kavinson out of Russia, who's pioneered peptide research and has developed products that have tremendous results in relationship to their efficacy and, most importantly, their food-grade substances. So you don't need a prescription to get the maximum benefits of the peptide bioregulators. In addition, we're also going to touch on stem cells and exosomes and other modalities that I think will be a help, and hopefully you will find the information that we're sharing valuable. I'm on a healthcare journey myself. I'm in my late 50s and I intend to maintain optimal health, and I also intend to live a very long life. And hopefully you're seeking the same thing. And if you're seeking longevity, anti-aging, then you are in the right place at the right time. We're going to share a lot of information for you, and we're hopefully going to build a bridge to the future for you health-wise. I believe, like Bill Lawrence, that the next 10 years, if you are able to maintain your health, you're going to see tremendous changes. And I believe many of us will have lifespans that may exceed 90, 100, 110 years, but not only longevity, but longevity, sound body and mind, and good health. So with that, if you'd like more information, click in the description, reach out to us, schedule a consultation. And if you're in the Atlanta area, you can also schedule an appointment. Thank you. If you're enjoying the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. The algorithm loves that. This was an interesting topic. If you enjoyed this video, here you can click on the next one.